solid shapes, flat shapes and lines. Today solid shapes have how many face? What is mean na? How many flat face? How many curved face in the shapes have, then you count and write. Well, then some examples of flat shape. It is the flat shape. Flat shape, square, then rectangle, next sphere, then circle. Okay, then solid shapes. Solid shapes are cube, cuboid, next one cone, then next one is cylinder, then sphere. Sorry, here sphere is a flat shape. Sphere is a flat shape? Not. What? Then triangle is a flat shape. What? Triangle. Then cone is a flat shape? No. What? Cone is a solid shape. So flat shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Then solid shapes: cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. Now see the solid shapes are the 5 solid shapes I write it. Then everyone have a how many flat shape, how many curved face is the figures. Okay. Now first one is cube. What is this? Cube. Cube have a how many flat face, how many curved face? Yes, that is, what is this? That is cube. Cube have a how many flat face? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then here is 6. So how many flat face is there? 6 flat shape is there for in a cube. Then how many curved face is there in a cube? Any other curved is there? No. So that is no curved face. So cube have a no curved face. It is only have a flat face alone. Then same look like a cuboid. Next one is what? Cuboid. Yes, cuboid have a same thing. Examples of duster. This duster is a cuboid. So how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So same, that is cube. That were examples of cuboid. The both one have a 6 flat shape, 6 flat face. The both one have a no curved face. So cuboid also how many? How many flat face? 6. Then no curved face. Okay. Then the next one is cone. Cone have a how many flat face? Then how many curved face is there? The same example. Next one is cone. What is this? That is cone. What is this? Cone. This is a cone. Have a one curved face, one flat face. Cone have a one curved face, then one flat face. Okay. So cone have a one flat face, then Any how many edges? Sphere have a no corner, no edges. That is have a no. So flat face is 0. Then curved face is that is then sphere is some examples of that. That is sphere. It has a fully curved only. No flat face is there. So that is flat face is 0. How many curved face is there? Only one curved face. Then next one is what? Cylinder. Next one is what? Cylinder. First one is flat face. Next one is curved face. Cylinder have a how many flat face? Then how many curved face? So that is cylinder. That is cylinder. It has a only curved face. How many curved face? It has a only one curved face. Then two flat face. Flat. So how many? One. Then two. So cylinder have a two flat face. Then one curved face. So same thing, cube as well as cuboid only. Same thing, 6 flat shape, no curved face. Then cone is here, only one flat face, then only one curved face. Sphere has here no flat face, curved face only alone, that is one. The next thing is what? Cylinder. Cylinder have how many flat face? 2. Then curved face is 1. Then next thing that is a flat face and curved face. Then next one is what now? Some shapes have a roll and slide. What is mean roll? What is mean slide? See the next one is okay. Yes, now see the roll and slide. Solid shapes. Okay, solid shapes, roll and slide. What is this? That is cylinder. It has a flat face and curved face. Which shapes have a curved face? That only shapes only rolling. Which shape have a flat face? That side is called a slide. Okay, so what is this? That is cylinder. You know? Do you know what is this? That is cylinder. It has a two flat face, then one curved face. So that cylinder is rolling as well as slide also. Now I do it. So that is, see here, so just move, that is rolling. Okay. Then next one, that is flat face only alone is there. So I do it, just to push, I put in a push, then this is like a flat, just moving. So curved face directly you move, but flat face alone you just push in you put in a push, then only that moving to one place to another place. So cylinder also rolling. So here cylinder has a fully curved face. Cylinder has a fully curved surface only is there. So that also what? Rolling alone. Then next one is cuboid. Cuboid is here. Curved face is there? No. So cuboid have a slide alone, not rolling. Some example, gift box. Gift box is here rolling? No, that is slide alone is there. Then duster. Next one is duster. Cuboid. Example of the cuboid. That is any curved face is there? No, just slide alone is there. No, don't rolling the duster. Then same example in your book. In your book also cuboid shapes is there. So no curved surface is there. So didn't rolling. Same what slide alone. Okay. So which solid shapes have a rolling? Which solid shapes have a slide? Okay, ba? First solid shapes are roll, then slide. So cube have a no curved face, so slide alone. Next one is cuboid, also no curved face, so that also slide. The next one is what? Cone. Cone is a curved face also is there. Then one flat face also is there. So both. Then same thing cylinder also. Cylinder also two flat face, then one curved face. So the both one cylinder. Next, sphere has a no corners, no edges, anything. Only alone was the curved surface alone. So that is rolling. Okay. So solid shapes are first two types of moving. First one is rolling, another one is slide. Okay. So which shapes are slide? Which shapes are rolling? Both which shapes are both one. So cube and cuboid have a no curved surface, so that is used in a slide alone. Then sphere is a no flat face, so that is rolling alone. Then next cone and cylinder has a flat surface also having. Then what? Curved surface also is there. So the both one rolling and slide. Okay. Then now I write the exam. Now I give the some objects name, that is slide or not, you write. Say the first one is bottle. Bottle is a slide or roll. Tick your response. Okay, va? Bottle is a cylinder shape. You know, every water bottle have a cylinder shape, so that is rolling. Okay. Then next one is duster. Duster is a slide or rolling. Duster is no curved surface is there. That is only slide. Okay. Then next one is gift box. Next one is gift box. Gift box have a curved surface? No, that is only alone slide only. So that is slide. Then next one is ball. Ball is what shape? That is sphere shape. Sphere have a no corner, no edges. That has alone only curved surface. So that is what? Rolling. Okay. So ball is a rolling. Bottle is a cylinder shape. So that is rolling object. Then duster is a not having a curved surface. So that is what? Slide surface. Then gift box have a no curved surface, so that is slide. Then ball is a curved surface only is there, so that is rolling object. Every solid shapes have a look like a flat shape. Already I explained it. the same thing. What? How is it now? See the shadows for in the first one is what? First one is cube. You know cube have a what shape? Oh, it's look like a what shape? Already I explained it. That is cube. Now see the cube. Okay. First one is cube, cuboid. So it's look like a what? See the shadow. Everyone see the shadow for in the blackboard. What shape? What shape you see in the blackboard? Everyone see here. What shape? That is square. So cuboid, cubes look like a cube look like a what? Square. The shape of the shadow of the cube is square. What? The shape of the shadow of the cube is what? Square. Okay. The same thing. Next one is what? Next one is what object is there? Next one is cuboid. So it look like a rectangle. So now I see it. You see here. Now I show the shadow that just look like it. Just so see the blackboard everyone. So you see the what shape? You see the rectangle? What? The shape of the shadow of the cuboid is what? Rectangle. What? The shadow of the cuboid is look like a rectangle. I shake the rectangle box. You see the rectangle? Yes. The shape of the shadow of the cuboid is rectangle. Okay. The same thing. Next one is what? Cone. Next one is what? Cone. Cones, you know the cones look like a what? Next one is cone. Cone is a, see here, the shape of the shadow of the cone is what? Triangle. You see the blackboard. What shape? You see the shadow is shaking. Now see the shadow. What shape? That is triangle. What shape? That is triangle. The shape of the shadow of the cone is triangle. The next one is, the last one is what? Sphere. Sphere is look like a what? That is circle. Now I show the circle. That is half circle. That is semicircle. So now I show it. So that is now the shape of the shadow of the sphere is what? Circle. So see here, that is circle. See the shadow? Okay. So what is mean shadow in our shadow? See here. Now see the in our hand shaking. See here, shadow is there. Though everyone you go and see in your home your shadow, different activities do it, then see in your shadows. Okay. Then next one is everyone you go to the say take in your shapes, then that every solid shapes have a look like a flat shape or not, then check in your shadow the next class. Okay. Thank you students.